Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to change your Outlook password. So simply first of all open your browsers. You can also change your password through your app or through your Chrome browser in PC. So simply I'm changing here from my cell phone. So simply open the Chrome browser. So here you can see my account is logged in. So what we need to do, just you have to click here and just find the settings option here. And now what you need to do, just go to account. So here you can see change password option. Just click here to change your password. So you need a recovery email address or cell phone number to change your password. Without these two options you cannot change your password. So first add your recovery mail or cell phone number in Outlook to change your password. Sometime when you try to sign in and actually you have forgotten your password, so in this way you can also change your password. Simply you need to click on the forget password. So here you have to send verification code on your email, or if you have added number it will be sent on your number. Simply I am typing here my recovery email address access.mehran.khan, and simply after this what I need to do, just send a code. So now I am here going to check my Gmail account. So here you can see this is the code. So simply type it here. Now click on next. Now here type your password and re-enter your password, and now click on next. So in this way you can easily change your Outlook password.